So hi guys, it's me again. Today is unboxing. I do not wander with my face because I'm preparing for TikTok. So my hairstyle and my face is ready. Dun. Only one arrived, so this is very short. Actually, this one arrived yesterday, but I was so busy yesterday, so I didn't open. I hope this is the right one. Oh my god, wait, naka-color is like this. But in the photo, this is very, very red. Very big. Oh my god. Very big. How about to wear this one? That's a zipper. Oh my, let's see. Oh my, oh my. It goes not. Ah! Ouch! Wait. No, no zipper. I don't know how to open. Maybe only this way here. Very big. I ordered small ah. That is small also here. This is large. That is small also. Is bato? This is is. Oh my. I'm a sewing again. Sewing. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.